Here we go. We're swapping out a Mastertemp pool heater. First thing you do is turn the gas off, then we break the collar loose. We'll take the door panel off. Oh, nice. Got some surprise visitors here. See, all this is from mice. Oh, gosh. And we have a little stowaway in there. Fortunately, he's dead. Okay, back to it. So here we'll disconnect the power. You'll have 2 hot wires and a ground, typically if it's wired 220. So that, and then the other one, this is your control wire if you're using some sort of automation, Jandy, Pentair, Hayward, one of those. You'll be able to turn it on and off with the remote controller. So these 2 wires go to that. So when we install the new one, we'll make the same. Remove the loop that's here and install our wire for the switch. Last one is disconnect the gas pipe. Since we're replacing with an identical heater, they should match up nicely. Okay, we're back. Got the new heater, old one out, the new one in. So I'm going to go ahead and get this. Open the side. Careful not to lose. In an effort to reduce the mice getting in it, Pentair came out with this little adapter. Goes over the gas pipe before you stick it back in, and it will help keep the mice from getting in there so easily. Get this snugged up. Be sure you use plenty of pipe dope on that, or thread paste, whatever you want to call it. Better to use 2 pairs of a pipe wrench. A little easier to do this, but I want to walk back to the truck. Get it good and cleaned off. Add the pipe dope. Now you can see this is going into the gas valve. The second set of pliers is there to hold the gas valve so it doesn't get twisted off. Tightening this pipe. and snug. One last thing on top of this, once you get the pipe gas connected, there is an on-off switch right here. It's always in the off position, so be sure you flip it on, otherwise you won't be able to light the heater. So we'll get this pipe connected, put the door back on it, get that last pipe connected, and then we're ready for the electrical. Okay, we're back. We can get started on the electrical. Put the electricity back to it. Got 3 wires, red, black, and green. These are your 2 line power, 120 on each one. This is your ground. Discourage our furry friends from coming back to see us. Okay. Run the control wire back through. On this particular heater, there is up here at the top, the wires go in, and you can run your cables in there, the control wire. And here is the where the control wire will plug in. We'll just unhook this. Again, this wire just allows you to control it with a remote. So, gotta hook that up, or you won't be able to control it remotely. Okay, that one. Then we'll cut our wires here and attach those. Always do ground first, in case there ever is a charge come through it. That ground will reduce some of it. All of it won't go through your body, or so I've been told. Don't want to test it actually. Okay. Tighten that up. Last connection will be this green wire. We're going to bring it down and connect our bonding wire, and that will complete the electrical. We'll close it up, and then the last connection will be the plumbing. Okay, real quick, you can see we're going to repair this. So we'll cut this 90 off and then just extend this pipe back into the heater. And then we'll cut this one off here, extend that pipe back out, and come in here. So this one will 90 in, this one will go straight in. first one. A little bit long. Cut that off. Clean it up good. Get our collar. Loosen that just a little. Get that last connection made. Pool heater back in business. Plumbing is complete. Into the front, completely wired up with our bonding wire down in the corner. Comes out the side. Gas pipe. We'll just check for leaks and we're done. Okay, here we go. Just gonna test all these, get some good soapy water. Pour it on all the connections, anywhere we touched, and even the ones we didn't. And if it was leaking, it'd be making big bubbles, kind of like in the side of this bottle. See the bubbles? But not seeing anything. Got one more inside the heater. Show you how to get in there. Okay, on the Mastertemp heater, if you look up inside, there's wing nuts in each of the four corners. Got one back there as well, and then one over here in this corner. Take those loose and you can get the lid off. Okay, got the four wing nuts loose. Now the top just comes right off. And you can gain access to the board. But what we're looking for is that gas valve. Just want to check it for leaks. No bubbles. I believe we're good. Double check them. You can also see your on-off switch for the heater. We've got it in on position. Let's fire it up. Okay, we have a Jandy control system. So first thing to do is push the mode button, get it down into timeout. We're going to turn the filter on. We're going to turn the heater on. You can see we're active. We're going to turn the pool on. We're going to set the temperature. We'll go to 104 on the heater. That way they can control it with the remote up to 104. Okay. Current temperature 64. Hear the heater come on. Fog up the screen. You can see the heat. Yes. Fantastic. Here we go. It's heating. No leaks.